My legs, I remove the hair on my leg. I use Vicks. It will save me money. It saves money. That's the most important thing. So let's go. Like they wrapped it unpacked. It's in between this. Hi bubbles, welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome my love. But if you're an OG, thank you for sticking around with my craziness. So today's video is about beauty maintenance. I've been seeing this video a lot of the times on other people's channel, so I decided to like try it out. So first of all, our hair is looking rusty, so we're gonna do it. Then our nails, then lashes. So I'm going to take you guys a link for me to go and do my hair and nails. This is, I think today is 9th or 10th of September. So I'm doing it the next day. It's currently 9:20 something p.m. I really don't know, but that's what is going on. So I'm just going to pack the things that I need so we can go and make my hair. I'm pretty excited because I'm trying out this new salon. I got an affordable salon on the island. I am excited. So let's see. I'm going to go make my hair. Hold on. Wait, lash. Today I'm doing my hair and my nails. I want to do a beauty vlog. I do my waxing, which is like using a hair removing cream on my legs and just basically just wax my legs and remove the hair on my leg. I use Vicks. It will save me money. It doesn't save time because you have to like be bending and be scraping the hairs, but it saves money. That's the most important thing. So let's go. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I'm done with my hair, nails, waxing. I have my lash appointment, then skincare. We are almost done. First touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. This is meant to be a beauty maintenance vlog, but the thing is that before this hairstyle, I've already shot another beauty maintenance vlog, and I took that out. And I wanted to shoot another beauty maintenance vlog since I didn't complete that one. The thing is that, okay, I booked an appointment with a lash tech, right? So I did my hair and nails the same day, and I actually took you guys along. So I booked an appointment with the lash tech, and my lash tech traveled, and it has just been all over the place. So when the whole thing came back, like when she came back, the hair was already old and all. So So I wasn't in the mood to do the continuation of the maintenance vlog again. Then now I have gone ahead to do this hair, because this hair going to do it was really last minute, really last minute. I went there for like 3:30. I just called them, are you available now? And they said yes, and I went there immediately. So it was so last minute, I didn't even remember to take you guys along. And I went for Goddess braid, but the coily extensions that they used was the absolute worst. I won't actually blame them because it was recommended by TikTok, so I got it. I don't have a picture, but I think I have a pack of it somewhere. I'll try to look for the pack and like show you guys. The thing was tangling almost like I think 2 days later. This is like a week, and I had to like literally trim these coils off. And now I'm no longer feeling my hair. That means I'm not going to carry this hair long, because I carried my braids long. I carried them for like a month plus. So now I might not carry this hair that long because I'm not feeling this hair. But that's not why I changed it. And that's not why I like took up my camera. The thing is that I wanted to like do my hair, take you guys along for my hair, nails, then take you guys to like a skincare store so we can go and stock up my skincare and then do my lashes. But I have been so lazy to actually go to the store, and I usually order, to be very honest. I usually order, but because of the video I wanted to go to the store to get. So I usually order from 2411 or Tika or Buy Better. Those are the 3 stores that I actually always order from, which I've said this a zillion times. So I just got this package today, and I just remembered this drawer. Today I'm doing a vlog, so let's unbox. That's my please, I want to tell my sister, Jesus Christ, she's a lot. So I'm gonna head to, I am so lazy to go and get a tripod. I would have done the unbox. So I'm gonna get to like open it up. This is the way like they wrapped it and packaged it. So I just got like a vitamin C serum and a face wash and tretinool. So let me just, I can't do this with my hands like this. So let me just open this up. I will open this up and come back. So I've gone ahead to rip it open. So this is the Face Fat Ceramide Skin Barrier Complex Foaming Cleanser. It has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, so it deeply cleanses sensitive skin and helps strengthen your protective moisture barrier, fragrance free. So this is basically it, and yeah. I think I should have shown this than reading plain titles. And I love foaming cleansers. I've used a cream face wash. Sorry, I'm calling it cleanser, it's face wash. I've used a cream face wash. I've used the gel face wash, and don't ask if they are different. They are clearly different. And I've used a foaming face wash, and I've loved, I don't know, maybe it's because of if it doesn't foam up, I feel like I've not washed my face well. So I prefer the foaming face wash. It looks like CeraVe, but it isn't, clearly. So the next one I got was this Dr. Rachel Vitamin C Serum. I don't know. I was contemplating between this, because this brand, this Face Fat has like lactic acid syrup. It has hyaluronic acid. Why is it not hard for me? Think hyaluronic acid syrup. It has a lot of actives, and it has a lot of ingredients. Like, I'm not talking about this particular face wash, I'm talking about like different products. It was the brand is really doing well. It has vitamin C, so I was contemplating between it and vitamin C, but the vitamin C of face fats is like 30 ml, while Dr. Rachel is 50 ml. So I was like, that's 20 extra. So girl maths. Oh my god, that's girl maths. Girl, the same price. Literally, I think this one was even cheaper. I was like, why am I buying this that has more quantity and it's still affordable? So I went ahead and just picked up this, but I'll still try this face fats on. So yeah.